So what we're going to do is we're going to look at some model problems. And the first ones that I wanted to look at with you are on the page 194 worksheet that was taken out of a hardcover pre-calc book. And we're going to look at the odds. Okay. And basically we're just going to use these as models. Remember that what the directions are asking is to write it in the exponential form, which means that they want us to take this and they want us to write it as a base exponent equals answer. So all we have to do is take these apart and put them into this format. Okay, so this is just translating one form to the other. The base is always the subscript. So we have subscript 4. The exponent is always what it's equal to, so that's squared. And the answer is always next to the base, so it's next to the subscript in a log form. So this is 16. So 4 squared equals 16 is your first one. For the third one, this is a little more complicated. I wanted us to go through this a little bit. Our base is 6. Our exponent is what it's equal to, so that's -2. And our answer is 1/36. Now, remember that what we're doing, this is the correct format, but I want us to take this just a little bit further so that you understand why it is that way. So remember that 36 is really 6 squared. And since the exponent is downstairs, we can then move it as a negative exponent upstairs. So that's how this comes to be. So this is really what the answer is, the one that's in the rectangle here. But I need you to understand where it comes from, because 1/36 is really 1/6 squared. The exponent 2 on the bottom means that it's a negative exponent on the top. So these two are equivalent. And you're going to have to be able to remember that, that these are the case. That's the case. So this is the answer. This guy right here, the one that's putting a little cloud around. This is the answer, but this is the y. All right. This one is missing a subscript, which means that if it's a log, it's a base 10. So we're going to write this as the base is 10, the exponent is 3, and the answer is 1,000, and 10 to the third is 1,000. So that is good. And then they give us an ln, and that's a natural log. And if the base of a natural log is missing, then that's the e, because e and ln's rock together. So this would be the base is e, exponent is about 2.1, and that is equal to our answer, which is 8. There you go. Okay, so your job is to try the evens. Again, what you're doing is you're getting it from log format to this format with base, exponent equals answer, and then you're going to check it with the next slide and make sure you did them right.